everyone, and welcome to the disaster zone, as you can see. Oh dear. I tried a Dutch pour using just water to thin the paints. Did not work, as you can see. I've been scraping. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to my oh dear me, back to my old or not old, but you know, a Dutch recipe that I know, I guess you could say, and try and do sort of like a, I don't know, black hole design, for lack of better description. Dominic Sherl, oh, sorry, I probably pronounced your surname completely wrong, had a video. I think Mixed Media Girl did this Starburst Dutch. So I'm just going to see if I can do anything even half vaguely decent with this. Yeah, the self-deprecation is running high over here right now. It's just so frustrating sometimes. My goodness. Right, those are the colors from my previous monochrome pour. I have some rather nice colors from the disaster I just managed to scrape all over the bottom there. I'm just gonna use these, see what happens. By this point, I'm really not bothered. As you can probably imagine, you know, you've just spent tons of time mixing and measuring and writing down recipes and thinking, yeah, this is gonna be amazing, and yeah, and it's done. Oh well, you know, it's part of this big part of this whole art form, I think, and you know, you just kind of learn to live with it, I guess. Okay, there's not much of the purple left. If so happens, by some grace of absolute miraculous beings, this works out okay, I will put the recipes in the description, because I still know what they are, I think. Okay, and just a little touch of gold with the purple. Yeah, my logic at this point also is to, let's just use up all this paint I mixed earlier. Here's what I made earlier, type of thing. Because I really don't want to keep be storing tiny drops of paint. Seems a bit pointless. And these are just in single-use cups, so no biggie, I'll just throw them out. Okie dokie. Not much colour there. I'm gonna add some more. And use up some more as I'm going along. A bit of silver still left. I think that's almost all of them then. Oh dear. I've been having one of those mornings. I dropped a paint bottle on the floor. I need to drop it just right so that the nozzle broke off. And I have one sock in the trash. As you do. But you know, I've done worse. Yeah, so feeling rather clumsy this morning. But you know, never mind. Now I'm wondering if I should just go and pour some cell activator there, just for the fun of it. See how that works out. Or white. Should I put white cell activator? I'm gonna grab that. So some white soap activator there. And then I'm gonna do what I forgot to do last time and couldn't get the paints to move anywhere. I will be putting a little bit of this base paint in the middle and on the edges if I have enough. That's too thick. Oh well, you know, it'll still help the paint flow, I think. Okay, let's go. Wish me luck. I think I need it. I actually like it. I don't believe it. I honestly don't believe it after all that. Wow. And that, I think, looks pretty decent. I like it. Oh my goodness. Wonder if I dare blow the the paints back in a little bit. Or not. I don't know. Right, I am dragging myself away from this because I like it. I really like that. Okay, all I need to do now is hope, please tell me I have enough black paint to just go over the corners. And to be honest, even if I don't, it's not really an issue because I can always go back and you know, paint with one of those foam rollers once it's dry. I actually like using the Amsterdam spray paints. I spray it straight on the roller and then go over the edges. It gives it a really nice, completely smooth, no marks of any sort, and a very nice matte finish. And it matches perfectly with Amsterdam black. You know, they can both Amsterdam oxide black. I like it that you don't have an issue with color matching at all there. Yeah, that's looking okay. I think I need to pop a little bit of paint just there. This is what I could do with having my potter's wheel underneath this. I don't have to reach around. So look, oh, just a little bit, yeah. Go in the right place, will you? Yeah, there we go. Ha! I like it. I can't believe how much I like it. So, Dutch pour. So the, you know, the original definition of a Dutch pour with just water. In my case, what an absolute disaster. Oh my goodness, I take my hat off to, well, for example, Molly's artistry. This video I watched this morning, I thought, oh, that looks fun and such an awesome result. You know, beautiful cells and wonderful colors and, you know, and then it's, like I said, welcome to disaster. So, oh dear, gotta laugh at yourself sometimes. Okay, just a tiny bit of patching up there. Okay, I'm just gonna torch it clean from underneath the canvas edges, because that can pull the paint up. Oh, the gold is coming through really nice. I'm glad I didn't give up. No, I'm really glad I didn't give up. I'm getting some really nice gentle cell formations there. That's the only bit I'm not happy about, because it's, you know, it's too dark. There's no color there, but I really am not touching this anymore. I promise you, and well, I promise myself, because I'm a nightmare for carrying on too long. Gotta know when to stop, and I haven't learned that yet. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hi again. Just wanted to show you what happened after I stopped the last video. Some really amazing looking cell growth happened. Admittedly, I messed about with that dark bit a little bit, and luckily didn't ruin it, I don't think. That's really nice. I'm not sure if it's the white cell activator, specifically the Amsterdam, no, not Amsterdam white, well, that as well, but the Australian Floetrol that's doing it. I think it may well be, even though you can't see the white there. That's really interesting. Let's put the flash on, see if we can see. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, the gold. I love it. Oh, that's so pretty with the blue, turquoise blue. Oh, that's lovely. Okay, that's all. Thanks. Bye.